YouTubers. So today I am going to make this chocolate dump cake that I saw on, I think it was Facebook. And you only need chocolate cake mix, pudding. We're going to use some Garibaldi's white chips, a cup of milk, and some Nespresso. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pour the cake mix into my mixer. So pour that in. Just one box. Now, the woman did mix hers into like an aluminum foil pan, but I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything right into my mixer, and hopefully it will be okay. I'm gonna add in this chocolate pudding. I'm not sure how much espresso I'm gonna put into this. Let's see. Let's do about 3. Woo, we're gonna be bouncing off the walls, guys. So yeah, 3 tablespoons, let's try that. And then we're gonna go in with a cup of milk, which I already have handy. My oven is preheated to 350. Let's pour this in, and we're just gonna mix this very well. You guys can get a better look. Oh, it looks like very stiff actually. Well, I can tell you that the mixture is a lot stiffer than when we do our normal cakes with our eggs. Oh, guys, I forgot the soda. Hold on, that's the problem. I'm supposed to put Coca-Cola into this. That's why the mixture is so stiff. We're gonna start off with 1 because I don't know what to expect here. Of the Coca-Cola soda. Now the mixture is looking so much better. Okay, let's stop this. Drop her down. Can you see that? It's so much more creamier now. Looks like regular cake mixture. So what we're gonna do next, pour it into the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and add this mixture. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to expect here. This is some strange ingredients. I mean, it looked good when she cut into it, but we'll see. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add in those chips that I told you all about. And we're just going to layer them right on top. And guys, you know, these things are very expensive. Almost $6 for 1 bag. And I don't even know if I'm gonna like this stuff. I tell you, our prices have really inflated. That should be good. Okay, here we have it. That's what she's looking like right now. And this is what it's looking like. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do while it's cooling is I'm going to add some more chips right on top. And I'm hoping that they're going to melt since we're not putting a frosting or anything on this cake. So just hold on. It's already kind of separated from the sides and it's puffing up in the middle. But we're gonna see. Once it cools, we'll come back and give it a taste. Alrighty. Okay, we're back, guys. Here is the finished product. Now you remember I put those white chocolate chips on top to hoping that they would melt, so I had to kind of smear them along the top. It doesn't look very pretty, but this is the finished product. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give her a taste and see what all the hype is about. And I'm gonna rate this cake from 1 to 10. I really don't know what to expect here. Oh my God, kind of nervous. Feels a little spongy. Well, let me put it on the plate, then I'll show you all. That's what it looks like. I don't know that I would try this if I saw it out somewhere. Doesn't look very appetizing to me, but we're gonna give her a taste and see because I wanna know. All right, I'm kind of scared about this one. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Let me get my water. Guys, let's see. I don't know what to expect. Again, this is the chocolate dump cake that I saw on Facebook. It's gotten a lot of views. It's a lot of talk about it. Everybody says it's so tasty. So let's see. I'm gonna give her a little try. Yeah, I'm not really liking how this looks, but then again, looks can be deceiving, right? So let's see. Definitely has a different texture. It's really sweet. I'm trying to see if I can taste the espresso. Let's try it just a little bit more. Y'all, that's not bad. The inside has like a pudding texture. Not bad at all. Let's see. How would I rate this? I would probably give this about a 7. It has a good flavor. Like I said, as far as the eye test, I don't think I would opt to try it if I were somewhere and this was presented to me. But again, like I said, looks can be deceiving. It's not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. The texture is like pudding on the inside. It has a very good flavor. I'm not really tasting the espresso so much. But yeah, I would give it a 7. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. All right, y'all. That's my chocolate dump cake. I hope you all be blessed, okay? Until next time, y'all be good.